This piece is called That's My Girl, and I wrote this after I had to go back to Los Angeles and I was stuck in Massachusetts for 2 years working schlub jobs and feeling like nothing would change. I had a lot of really strong women in my life that would say, keep going, don't give up. And so this just that kind of camaraderie you have between women, and so this is called That's My Girl. It's like our cheerleader song at this point for me.
Such a pretty bird in the windowsill. Watch her breathe until the mind grows still. Picture her long golden curves flying off into her own world. Now that's my girl. That's my girl. That's my girl. That's my girl. Now that's my girl. I had lunch with my aunt the other day, and we asked why God took our men away. She said that's just something people say, but they go on and on and on and on anyway. That's my girl. Now that's my girl. And they are all here now, so let them in, saying all you ever wanted waits just beyond these pearly gates. In the end, I'm standing on my own. Don't need no one to take me home. I guess I'll just have to go it alone. But it's a